Hello. So it's weekend, so I thought, I'll do my thing. I record a tune. Not because I have to or have to record a tune, but I was playing around with the tweeters. I added them to the small bass panels. These. Like really tiny. These. And it's funny, they were sitting like on the ground, well, slightly above. And with this kind of curve thingy, I still have good dispersion. I made like a zillion drawings of a quad 57 style. I mean, it's not an ESL, it's not a quad. But just, the way it looks. Kind of speaker. So 2 bass panels and the tweeter in the middle. But what I was worried about, or not even worried, what is a problem is the dispersion vertical. And in this case, this could work. Not sure if I'm gonna make it, but... And it has nothing to do with the quad 57, it's just I like the quad style really nice. If I can find the feet. If I cannot find the feet, actually, if I can find the grill, I like the way it looks, and if I can make that a planar version, that would be really cool because, no electronics, no high voltage, nothing breaks down, and a little bit more output. I don't know what the X max is of in 57, but I think it's not that high. It's definitely not 3mm, I think. But correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not, maybe some people know more about the, well, I'm definitely sure some people know more about the 57. But I think it has a less X-Max. Then again, the 57 is a push-pull electrostatic loudspeaker. They probably will outperform them in terms of how they sound. But it's, I like this style. I really love the style. It's a bit 70s, 60s, very cool looking. So yeah, that aside, then I strapped them to the big guns, of which I still have to make a standalone tweeter. So it has, I'm gonna make a standalone tweeter that is the same height, and it's gonna be like a 4-panel loudspeaker system. Still, I would recommend a sub for the low end if you're playing loud or if you want to like sub bass. Now they're across the 51 Hertz to the sub. Oh yeah, and before I forget, let's remove the filters in the 50 Hertz range, because I will hear them on the couch, but you, or the recorder, is in the middle of the room, and then it's bass shy for sure if I will not remove the filters. Crossover, it's 12 dB Linkwitz Riley on the panels at 230 Hertz, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, 230. And there is a first order on the tweeters at 1100, which is, they could play lower even, but yeah, then I have to cross the bass panels even lower, and that results in losing output. Yeah. Because the bass panels have a rising response, so even if you use, I tried a 6 dB per octave filter for instance, but if you cross it at 200 or 150, if I cross it at 150, then it's still, the acoustical crossover point will be like 800 Hertz, which is too high. Too high for the tweeter being so far away from the mid-range bass. So I had to use a 12 dB per octave, and I didn't know, but 12 dB sums up really nice with the 60 beam. So yeah, no problem there. Yeah, so I don't know if the speakers are a little bit too far away, maybe. So if I move this recorder backwards, I got more room noise. If I move it forwards, you have less room. But we're also a little bit off axis, so we might lose on the top end. I could toe them in a little bit. That would help. Just a little bit. I'm not gonna go all the way because I don't know how it will sound. Something like this. Let's see. Yeah, let's go with this. Yeah, it's funny. A guy on Facebook told me like, hey, I'm in the Netherlands. He's from the US, I think, because his son studies here, and he wants to have a listen. So, if you're around, I don't care where you're coming from, and you want to have a listen just for fun or have a chat, feel free to contact me. I mean, it's fun to talk to people that like the same things. And if I'm available, why not? Have a beer, have a drink, have a coffee, whatever. It's fun. He also, I think he bought, well, he said he bought also the MFB loudspeakers from Chris, which is really funny. It's such a small world. Really, it's insanely small. Everyone knows everyone. First song, Billie Eilish, The 30th difficult, and a song I discovered on a YouTube video from, I forgot his name, but he repairs stuff, which I like to watch, just random things. I mean, I like tinkering. And he played it as a demo of, look, this speaker is working, Queen of Hearts, but by Velvet Moon. First time I heard it, I was like, what the fuck, is this Melanie? Is this Melanie? And I looked it up, and it's not Melanie, it's Velvet Moon. But it sounds exactly like Melanie, and I personally do like Melanie, but it's an acquired taste. Most people do not like Melanie. It's a bit too much hippie vibe. I'm not into hippies, by the way, but I like her music.
Sometimes you look the same, just like you did before the accident. When you're staring into space, it's hard to believe you don't remember it. Woke up in the ambulance, you pieced it all together on the drive. I know you don't remember calling me, but I told you even then you look so pretty in a hospital bed. I remember you said you were scared, and so was I. In a standstill on the 5, thought it was unusually early traffic. Usually I don't panic, I just wanted to be on time. When I saw the ambulances on the shoulder, I didn't even think of pulling over. I pieced it all together late that night. And I know you don't remember calling me, but I told you even then you look so pretty in a hospital bed, I remember you said you were scared, and so was I. What if it happened to you on a different day, on a bridge where there wasn't a rail in the way, or a neighborhood street where the little kids play, or the Angeles crest in the snow or the rain? What if you weren't alone, there were kids in the car? What if you were remote, no one knows where you are? If you changed anything, would you not have survived? You're alive, you're alive, you're alive. And I know you don't remember calling me, but I told you even then you looked so pretty in your hospital bed. I remember you said you were scared. And so am I. I went out and tried to cut a pine tree down, fell through the ground like Alice. Oh, what a sound! This must be a nest. I got rocks and sticks against my chest. I'm Alice. Dear Queen of Hearts, I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell King of Hearts to arm all his forces so you can learn to be kind. Oh, what a start! Inside out and upside down. No stress, I'ma clean up this mess like Alice. First hand me scissors, then bring out the heavy artillery. Oh, justice is my middle name. I'm Alice. Dear Queen of Hearts, I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell King of Hearts to arm all his forces vertrouwd in jou. Ik kan je taal niet lezen.
That's snore. But that's it. I've did it 3 times now. I'm done with it. Because, well, it's not that important. See ya.